Good morning, dear student. I believe we were dealing with problems based on custom duty computation. We started solving also. Let me remind you how to go about it. We got to know that whatever the assessable value will be given, on that basic custom duty will be charged, or if there is any CVD, that will be charged. Now this education cess has been replaced by SWS. So the SWS will be applied on basic custom duty and CVD, not on the assessable value. Like think about on surcharge, what we used to do in direct tax, that is tax on tax. Same concept will be there. So whatever the basic custom duty will be there, on that we are going to charge SWS. Okay. Then we will get the total. On that we will add the IGST, and on that we will be going to charge compensation cess. It has been also explained here with an example. Okay, whatever the assessable value we have under section 14, or tariff value under section 42 of any product, on that we have to add the basic custom duty. Under section 12A we have to add SWS. SWS will be charged on V. V means what? Basic custom duty. Whatever the custom duty we will get, on that we are going to charge social welfare surcharge. Earlier it was known as compensation cess. Sorry, education cess, which has been replaced by social, and that was only 3%. Now it is 10% on basic custom duty. That will be, after adding all this, we will get the value for integrated tax under section 3 subsection 7 of GST, or compensation cess under section 3 subsection 9 of CGST. So whatever the value of D we will get, on that we will charge IGST under section 3 subsection 7. Only the sections were not written with you. So if you have taken this format, you must have taken the sections and subsections along with that. So now this GST will be charged on D. I mean, D is what? Assessable value plus BCD, basic custom duty, or CVD, or any kind of custom which we have charged, plus SWS. So whatever the value we will get, that will be applicable for IGST, or any kind of GST which is applicable, if at all it is there in the question. And last but not the least, compensation cess, which is also be charged on that same value. Now compensation cess you should not charge on integrated. That also to be charged on the total value which we have calculated. And adding all these, we are going to get total value of the imported product. And if adding all these taxes which we have paid, will be the total custom duty payable to the government. I hope things are clear to you all. Based on that, we started solving few questions. We took up this question. So now here there will be a correction. देखो आपने जो किया है, this is as per old format. Kindly make the corrections over there. Okay, sorry, we made the correction. What we did, SWS we have replaced with compensation cess. It will take that compensation cess. I have seen 10%, then this entire solution is perfectly all right. No problem. So kindly modify the question only and let me know. Next, here there is a SWS. Very clearly it is stated in the question. Question number 2, assessable value, that is here. We got it after doing these two questions. So these solutions are wrong. Wrong in the sense SWS has to be replaced by compensation cess. That's it. Here it is SWS. So we did the calculation over here. Assessable value 100, BCD 10%, CVD. Any kind of custom charges which we have imposed on the goods will be a part and parcel to be computed as SWS. So what we have taken over here, assessable value was 100, BCD was 10%. So 100 ka 10% will be 10 rupees. CVD after adding these two will be 13 rupees 20 paise. Now SWS will be charged on this 23 rupees 20 paise, not 10 paise. Hundred and ten ka 12%. हाँ बराबर 20 paise. Your calculation is perfect. So you have understood how the SWS will be imposed. SWS will be imposed and will be charged on BCD or any kind of custom duty. Okay, not on total value. So the 10% of 23 rupees 20 paise, that is 2 rupees 32 paise. That is the value of things to be computed to be applicable for any kind of GST which is charged. Here IGST in the question was given 10% was SWS and 10% is compensation cess also. So IGST is 28%, as very clearly mentioned in the question. So 28% on this value, compute karo, will get 35 rupees 15 paise. Compensation cess, again 10% of 125.52 on this value. Okay, just now we have seen. This is very important. On accessible value, we will charge on BCD, we will charge SWS or any kind of custom. Whatever the value we will get on that, IGST will be charged. Whatever the value we will get on that, compensation cess will be charged, and that will give me total cost of value imported. That is what we did. Now this too will be charged on 125 rupees 52 paise. 10% on 125 rupees 52 paise. The total value of product imported. And this is the total duty charge. That can be easily, here I have given the segregation, otherwise if you see here what is given in the format. From accessible value, if we will deduct the total value of imported things, what G we got, from that if I will deduct the accessible value, will be total custom duty payable, including this GST or compensation cess. These are the part and parcel of custom duty only. They are also part and parcel of custom duty. These are the latest amendment. So please keep in mind, in your exam these amendments will be applicable, which is there from last year. Based on that, we had one illustration. The accessible value is 1 lakh, BCD is 10%, IGST is 12%, compensation cess is 10%, SWS is 10%. Get me the answer of IGST, compensation and total custom duty. And of course the total value of goods imported. Kindly solve and get me the answer. No, SWS will be charged on custom duty. See, again for that, I will ask you to refer this format. SWS will be charged on custom duty. Just now you have seen in our question, SWS, whatever the custom duty we will charge, if it is only basic custom duty, on that you will have to charge SWS. Whatever the value you will get, on that you are going to charge IGST and compensation cess. So if A is the accessible value, I will charge any kind of basic custom duty on A. If it is CVD, then A plus B, on that CVD will be charged. See here. Okay. CVD will be applied on assessable value plus basic. अभी तो अब सिर्फ इतना ही आ रहा है, आगे वाले क्वेश्चंस में आपको सेफगार्ड ड्यूटी भी आएगा. Okay, there are quota duty भी आएगा. There are another kind of custom duty which is applicable, which is prevailing, as we have learned earlier. Custom duty has many parameters, right? Basic custom duty is the basic one. Then protective duty is there, safeguard duty is there, CVD abhi dekha, countervailing duty is there, anti-dumping duty is there. These all are the part and parcel of custom duty. They are the integral part of custom duty. And SWS will be charged on whatever the BCD and CVD you have applied. Very clearly here it is mentioned by the student. Okay. Applying these things, kindly solve this question and get me the answer. From next lecture onwards, I am going to check your assignment book. Kindly complete your GST part. And of course, the definition and other part of those students will be only mark present, remaining will be mark absent. Because student interaction is very less. तो बहुत सारे सो भी रहे. Thank you, Guria. Very nice. No one got the answer of this example. Very simple question. Thank you, Meghna. Meghna got the answer as 1,35,420. Others, once again I am telling you, this is your assessable value. BCD will be charged on assessable value. Okay. SWS will be charged on BCD. Whatever the things we will get as a total, on that IGST will be charged and compensation cess will be charged. Rostin also got Same answer. Thank you. What about others? I believe it's very simple. On one, yes, Sunita has written me IGST. उल्टा कैसे गया रे? पहला IGST कैसे आ गया तेरे को? ऐसा नहीं होगा. See, assessable value is 1 lakh. उसका 10% 10,000. Okay. SWS is 10% on 10,000. 1,000. So 1 lakh 11,000. On that 12% and on that 10% will be your right answer. One lakh 11,000. I am getting answer as 1,35,420. Yeah, Meghna and Rostin is right. See, it should not take that much of time. See, that is why I now required, out of 45 odd students, only 3 are interactive. So now I want to make all of them interactive on from next lecture. लोगों ने बहुत मजे कर दिया. So this is my question. 1 lakh BCD, and I'm thankful to Meghna and Austin who got me the right answer. Assessable value 1 lakh. Basic custom duty 10% of 1 lakh 10,000. So SWS will be on this 10,000. Okay. So this is the subtotal for computation of IGST. 1 lakh 11,000 का 12% 13,320. 1 lakh 11,000 का compensation cess 10% 11,100. So we got 1 lakh 35,420. Is this correct? Rostin, Magna, ये सब बच्चों ने तो राइट ही आंसर लाए थे. Sunita, you rectify your answer. Rusik, these are 3 students who got me the right answer. And let us go to next. Once you have done completely, please let me know. We'll proceed to the next question. Completed everyone? नहीं, आप लोग तीनों का तो हुआ है. from other lot who are still sleeping. Chalo, CR jag gaye. Or anyone else? So only these children should be marked present. Let us go to next question. X transport company imported Roller Royce car for the purpose of providing output service by way of transportation of passengers. Following are the cost details. Accessible value is 3 crores. Am I right? Yeah. Custom duty 10%, IGST 28%, compensation cess 20%. X transport company is take input tax credit and have output GST liability of 1 lakh 120 lakhs. Calculate the total tax liability and GST liability to be payable. So first you compute the taxable liability and then you avail the benefit of IGST. IGST 28 compensation. Take this question, take it as homework because we have less than a minute. Just keep in mind they have ITC also with 120 lakhs. In coming two lectures, I think we will get proper grip on custom questions, custom duty related computation.